Hey everybody, welcome to the latest edition of my Citrix Virtual Hackathon interviews. This time we're going to be talking to Kedar Poduri, who currently is leading everything that we're doing around analytics and artificial intelligence at the company. Kedar's been involved in things we've been doing with cloud and other technologies for years here at Citrix. And in particular, one of the things Kedar's focused on right now is the Citrix Virtual Assistant as part of the workspace. And so let's go over and talk to Kedar about that now. All right, now I'm with Kedar, and we're going to dive into what he's up to. So, Kedar, you want to start off by telling folks a little bit about your role at Citrix?
Sure. I'm Kedar Poduri. I'm responsible for AI and analytics initiatives at Citrix. We started off on this journey a couple of years ago, and then we've built a advanced AI and analytics platform. We use that platform to deliver value directly to customers through analytics offerings, but we also empower other Citrix core services like networking and Citrix Workspace to provide additional value as well.
Awesome. So, I think one of the things your team does that the developers at the virtual hackathon will be really interested in is your team's actually responsible for the product management around the Citrix virtual assistant. You want to tell people a little bit about that and how that fits into what we're doing in the workspace?
Sure. As you are aware, one of the primary goals for Citrix Workspace platform is to deliver solutions that are aimed at increasing employee productivity, employee engagement, and Citrix Assistant is a key component in that strategy. So the goal with Citrix Assistant is to enable all the employees interact with applications, whether it is traditional Windows or web or SaaS applications, using simple natural language that we are also comfortable with. This way, the employees don't have to deal with all the complex interfaces these applications have. So, for example, users can use natural language to find the information they're looking for in any of these applications, or they can perform tasks using a simple interactive experience. What's interesting is that once we have the building blocks in place, it's very easy to extend the use cases to incorporate additional value. So, for example, we have extended the virtual assistant to incorporate FAQ skills, especially in this case, COVID-19 related FAQs. This is probably true across other companies as well. The guidance that we get from Citrix constantly evolves and it's coming from multiple channels. By incorporating all that information into Virtual Assistant, we can enable Citrix employees access that in one place very conveniently and always get to the latest.
Excellent. So, you want to tell the developers a little bit about what your plans are in terms of what are some of the top priorities for what you're going to have the virtual assistant team working on this year in 2020?
Yeah, in terms of top goals, a couple of things come to top of the mind. One is delivering VA as a platform. The other is the omni-channel experience. We have been using a lot of components to deliver these application integrations that we've been talking about, and being able to combine all those building blocks into a comprehensive platform that you can use to either extend the skills that we are delivering out of the box or completely bring in new applications is one of the goals of the platform. Along the same lines, some of you may have a bot or probably in the process of developing a bot. Being able to easily bring in those things into Citrix Workspace is also another key goal in that VA as a platform. And then the other goal is we always consider Workspace platform to be an experience, and we want to deliver the Citrix Workspace experience in any of the channels that you're interested in. And Citrix Assistant provides a very convenient way for you to transform that experience into any of those omni channels that you are familiar with or that you're interested in.
Awesome. So, Kadar, thanks for taking the time today to walk folks through this. I'm sure everybody at the hackathon is going to be really interested and look forward to following up with you later.
No, thank you for the opportunity.